guys, it's me again, Kathy here, Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel. It's Good Friday. Thank God it's Friday. And today I am gonna hang out with my daughter Tiara. She's back on my vlog. Yay! And we are actually gonna go to one of our favorite places to eat. It's called Saigon 8. It's a Vietnamese restaurant. We always order the same item every time we come here. I think the employees already know who we are and what we order. And so yeah, we are suki there. And then after eating there, if we are still hungry or if she's still hungry, there's another plan B that we go to, and it's the acai bowls at what's that again? Bowlology. And we went there one time when I was with her and one of my vlogs. And so yeah, we're gonna go there if she's still hungry, if she still wants dessert. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go. Okay. Init na dito ngayon sa Las Vegas. It's 93 degrees yata ngayon. There's my beautiful baby. And we are going to Saigon. So they got our order, and like I said earlier, they already know what to get us because that's our usual order. Thank you. Nice. Okay, so we'll just wait for our order. There you go. She's gonna do her little magic. Oh. Right here, please. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna hurry and do my mom's thing. So we take this sauce, and then we add like a spoon of it, right? Maybe more. Do I like two? Okay. Two. And then we put this back. And now we add some of this stuff. A lot?
Oyster sauce.
A little bit? I don't know how much. Just like that much?
A little bit more.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, and then sriracha? Or, okay. And now we take this fork. And that's all.
Alright, so my order is here. Now I got the number 26. And this is what it looks like. So my favorite part of that soup is this one. The tendon. I think that's the tendon. It's got some tripe, beef shank or something, but no raw. So before we used to order number 18, but it has the raw slice of meat, and I don't really eat that. I don't like the texture, so I switch it to this one. It's number 26 here at Saigon.
Did you get GoPro today?
Huh?
Did you get your GoPro today?
I had it. Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
He gave it to me yesterday.
Nope. Oh.
I made a vlog out of it too.
This cucumber has no gut.
That be good? So I need to.
Oh, show them what you ordered.
So my daughter ordered the number 53, right? Which is the grilled chicken.
Has rice,
With rice.
cucumbers, lettuce, and some carrots and some radish, I think. But my mom likes to eat the radishes and the carrots for me.
Because it's pickled carrots and pickled radish.
So I got this, and now I got some noodles.
You want that there?
Sure. How do people put their mouth around it?
Oh.
Ready? Let's go fast, fast, fast. We're on a mission to roll, roll, roll. I made myself a little thing. So now I'm gonna. Thank you. What? Okay.
You don't want the one? No?
Oh, instead of the last night?
No, you come to us and we can do some cooking.
fry it. No. Okay, so I'm gonna dump it in a lot of the sauce. So now I'm gonna get my water prepared.
That's so bad.
When you have your water prepared,
That's not bad.
here. Take him outside.
That's not bad.
I want to save some room for my Saigon, but at the same time, I don't want to waste any food.
Alright, it's time to go.
Get in the Saigon.
Alright guys, so we're done. We're on our way to Bowlology, and Tiara, lead the way.
Bowlology direction.
Starting route to Bowlology. Proceed to Southeastern Avenue, then turn right.
Let's go. We're here at Bowlology. Let me just make sure I park correctly. Yep, we're fine. Let's go inside. Let's go. So we ended up not staying inside the Bowlology just for safety purposes, and so I'm pretty full, so I feel like I'm gonna waste a whole bowl. However, I had the mango madness smoothie. It's got mango, pineapple, I think orange, something like that. So but they still call it the mango madness, and this is the regular size. And Tiara, what did you get?
I got an acai bowl
With
blue and pink, and then I got granola, and then I got kiwi, banana, and watermelon.
there.
I
So
think.
let me try this one out.
Yeah, but you already.
It's actually good. It's still pretty thick. It's been sitting in the car for a good
20 minutes?
20 minutes and it's still like really thick and cold. So she's telling me that she's gonna be busy again. This little lady right here, she'll be busy for 3 weeks straight. She's gonna have a competition, dance competition next week, just here in Las Vegas. Is it already a fixed schedule now, or you already know that it's gonna be Las Vegas next week? She's gonna compete here. It's still interstate competition, I believe, because there's still a lot of dancers from different states, right? So not just local. And then in 2 weeks she's gonna go to, where are you gonna go? Glendale, Arizona, to compete again, dance competition. And then in 3 weeks in Reno. Oh, she's a busy lady. Excuse me. Thank you. Whew, gotta sneeze. It's not the corona, don't worry. But yeah, so she's gonna be busy again. It's gonna be 3 weeks that I won't be able to see her, but I think next week, if I can go to one of her competitions here in Las Vegas, I think I'd go. And it just depends on the schedule and the date of the competition there. Tiara looked like she didn't even eat rice and chicken. Look at her bowl. It's almost done. Shall we go to the office while you're eating? So I can get my fast charging charger. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to my work office. I left something, so we'll pick it up, and then it's time for me to sadly drop my baby home again, drop her off. guys, so I'm already home. I already got ready to go to bed. And ewan ko, parang bigla akong inantok talaga. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-goodbye sa inyo kanina while I was still on the road or when I got home. But here I am saying thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And also, you got to meet my daughter again, which I truly love and I really miss. So yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell button para naman notified kayo pag may mga bagong uploads ako. Again, this is Tiara, Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya, Gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. I'm off. I'm done. I am good for the night. Have a good night, everybody. Bye!